What's up guys, Manny from Motomillion. It's got red, but it ain't a Ducati. Well, I'm gonna jump at the chance anytime that I get to work on a BMW, and this was the chance, guys. My buddy Matt from Imperial Moto just picked up this beautiful 2025 S1000RR, and in case you didn't know, secretly behind the scenes, we were trying to get our hands on an S1000RR, but we ended up with a bunch of Ducatis here. So this is the perfect time for us to get working on this beautiful motorcycle. He wants to make it sound nicer. It has the Acropolis Sport exhaust from the factory, which is just a muffler. So we're gonna add the Aero titanium mid-pipe and headers. We're gonna put the radiator guards, as you should do, as your first mod as well. TWWM fuel cap and some touch-up pieces from TWWM on this episode. You can be sure that this thing's gonna come back and get a bunch of other stuff. But today, those are the parts. Enough talking, more working. Let's get to it.
Don't stop. Don't stop.
Let's head to the scale. All right, I got 3 sets of here. Yes, 3 sets, because this one right here came off the stock 2025 S1000RR. That one there is a titanium header off an M1000RR, and we have our Aero headers. Let's see the difference in weight with the headers and what you could expect in terms of weight savings, because we know the power gains are huge between stock headers versus the aftermarket stuff like a Acropolis and the Aero one that we're using. So this is the stock one. I'm gonna put this here, and I'm shamelessly gonna add everything that you remove with the install of these headers, which is this hardware. And it is weighing in at 20.12 pounds with everything like that. So let's see how much the M1000RR header weighs. Let's remove this. Already feels much lighter, guys. Let's add everything again to be fair. And this is weighing at 13.64 pounds, so around 7 pounds or 6.5 pounds lighter than the stock header is the M1000RR titanium header. And let's move this and grab our Aero stuff. I'm gonna add everything in the plastic. So this is all the hardware. And these are all the pieces of the headers. There you go, and it's weighing at 6.04 pounds. That's over 14 pounds of weight savings with just the headers. We'll take that, that's huge. And we'll get to what the difference between Acropolis and Aero headers are after I get this on, because I wanna get everything on this motorcycle. Then we gotta add a few other parts that I mentioned in the beginning of the video, because I'm dying to hear how beautiful this bike will sound with this exhaust on. Header and mid-pipe are on, guys. The bike already looks lighter. The lift kind of went up just because of the 18 pounds we saved. But all jokes aside, we installed our TWWM bushing over here, which is blue. We're going to go with the blue and red theme, which is the motorsport color of this motorcycle. The stock exhaust fits on exactly as it should with this header and mid-pipe. Technically, this becomes a full titanium exhaust that's on the bike. We're going to press forward and install our radiator and all cooler guards, put the fairings back on, lower the bike, do the windshield, the fuel cap, and the fender eliminator. Then we'll go outside and make some noise. Fairings are on. the bike's looking beautiful, and all those little details we added, I think it puts the bike together, right? All these TWWM touch-up pieces. The exhaust is looking really good too because we put some WD-40. It's very shiny, and I know you guys are saying, start it up, start it up, start it up, but I don't want to do that right now. First, we got to get rid of that ugly fender, put an NRC fender eliminator, TWWM fuel cap, WS windscreen, and we'll roll this thing out, and then we'll start it up. Well, here's what the S1000RR looks like with almost all the first mods that you S1000RR owners do. Just like any other video, guys, all the products that we used is linked in the description below. So if you're looking for them, go check it out. But what do? We did the Aero titanium headers and mid-pipe. We kept the stock sport muffler, TWWM dress-up pieces, the HE83 radiator and all cooler guards, WRS windscreen, TWWM fuel cap with some pro-tie bolts, of course, the Motomillion keychain right over here, and the NRC Fender Eliminator kit. Guys, this bike truly sucks in first, second, and third gear without a flash. We're not gonna flash it. It's still due for its first service. Once that's done, you know who we use. We exclusively use Brent Tuning, and it'll be done at the time. But I think that's pretty much for this video, guys. I know you guys want to hear it. We'll turn it on at the end of this video, but if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time, guys, have a good one.